Hi, I'm Mike Costello. Welcome to MFC Equine. This is Eva and Stella. Eva has been learning how to train her horse Stella. Stella was a gift from her grandfather and had a few issues, but now with some help, Eva is training this young horse.
So what made you want to become a horse trainer?
Well, I saw some TV shows on Netflix and ABC Me, and I don't know, just really wanted to do horse riding, and I was here.
Is there any specific colours or breeds you prefer in horses?
Pinto.
What sort of training are you doing with Stella at the moment?
I'm going to train her to be a barrel racer.
How long have you been training and learning things at MFC Performance Horses?
6 months, maybe.
Again.
Do you feel like you've learned a lot since working under Mike's guidance?
Yes, definitely.
Is there any other things you will want to learn?
A bit more about cutting and barrel racing, but yeah.
And what sort of training do you want to do with horses in your future?
A bit of English and Western, but more on the Western side with cutting and barrel race.
And what's your future goal with training Stella?
To slow her down and get her to go around the barrels.
Do you believe that you as a rider and Stella as a horse have gotten better since coming to MFC
Definitely.
Performance Horses?
100%.
Is Stella the first horse that you've trained, or have you trained other horses?
I've trained another horse, Marley.
What do you believe that you need to work on with Stella the most at the moment?
My riding skills, but more so her speed.
How do you think you're going to work with her speed, like training wise?
We'll start at a walk and then we'll hold her, get her collected and get her into nice trot and then canter.
Would you ever consider teaching kids or people how to ride in the future?
Yeah, probably.
Thank you for letting us interview you on GG Buzz Talking Horses.
No problem.